Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Okay, so this wig is from Jon Renau, and the style is called Elizabeth, and the color is Malibu Blonde, or 12 FS12. And this is a color I love to wear. I have a Zara wig. I have several wigs in 12 FS12. Very great color. So let's try her on. Now, this is how the box comes. It's heat defiant, which means you can use heat on this wig. And then inside the box, I like to keep the boxes with the little card attached with the name and the information. So if I have it in my closet, I can see exactly which wig it is. Now it has nice wrapping. The wig comes all connected in here with bobby pins, so it's not gonna float around as it's being shipped. So gently take it out of the box. Oh, I love Jon Renau for this one extra little perk they do. Check this out. See if I can get it out of here. It's the best. And I have these all over my house. Can you guess what it is? I bet you can. Okay, I've tucked it in here really well. A comb. Great wide tooth comb, slips in my pocket, in my purse, in my car. Love these. So this is another little treat. Thank you, Jon Renau. Okay, we've got her out of the box, and now what we're gonna do, I always like to untie the tag that comes here. It's just looped through the back. I have to try it on without the tag. Okay. The tag has all the information on it. So Elizabeth, Malibu Blonde, 12 FS12. All right, so the first thing I like to do, we're gonna stick this comb in my pocket. Let's fit it in there. Yes. Okay. Oh, beautiful. So I always like to start on the inside. This is a full monofilament top, lace front, and stretchy, so it's comfortable. This isn't wefted, this is closed wefted. So you can see how see-through it is. So it's light and airy. And this is Elizabeth. So I'd like to turn her over. She's just been shipped to me, so we're gonna shake her out. Don't worry, there are sometimes flyaway hairs. It's totally natural. So we'll shake her out. Just beautiful. Now, in the back is the tag. This is what's gonna go at the nape of your neck. Adjust your tabs. So if you feel like it's a bit loose, you can tighten it or you can loosen it here. Now I want word of caution. Don't over tighten the wig or your wig grip. It will give you a headache. And once you have that headache, you will know it's your wig. So if it happens, start with unloosening or loosening your wig grip and loosening your your actual wig. Because as a new wig wearer, I tightened it down as tight as it could possibly be. Even left marks on my forehead. It was crazy. So, caution. Anyway, let's get on with the wig. Okay, so we're gonna put our forehead in here where the lace front is. When in question, just put the tag in the back. So we're gonna dive in. You can see how easy this goes on. I pulled the back down by my nape of my neck, and I'm gonna flip the hair up. Now, this is how it looks for everybody. It's just how it looks at first. It's not ready to be worn outside, so be patient with yourself. The ear tabs are on either side. And just like when the hairstylist measures your hair to make sure they're even, that's what you're gonna do with these little tabs on either side. And look at this hairline. So we talked about the lace. So this could be parted anywhere. Not that anyone's gonna be combing through your hair like looking for lice or anything, but you get the idea. And it's set up just the way I like to wear my hair, is on this side. So let's pull this comb out. Elizabeth. I love her. I absolutely love this color. I have so many styles in this color. What I like to do, instead of trying to change a style, I buy the style that I want in like a shade or a color family, let's call it. And I just look at the way the hair wants to go. Oh, now I love this. I love the flip up. It's so fun. Super lightweight. Flip test. Oh, gorgeous. Let me show you the back. Really swingy hair. Love this, gorgeous. And it's off of my collar, so it's not gonna get tangly with the friction from my collar. Just really pretty, right? You can wear her off the head, off your forehead if you like. I have some friends in Texas who like to do this. Right? Or you can just wear her down. You could put her in a bobby pin or a clip here. You could even wear her in a low pony. Maybe for golf. As you know, I'm pretty active. So this would also be really fun to water ski in because it's not going to touch the water. Beautiful. Love to know your thoughts. Again, this is Elizabeth in FS12, Jon Renau. Love Jon Renau wigs. This lace is impeccable. It's laying flat, it's gorgeous. Cheers.